This is the problem from IE Irodo, problem number 87 from mechanics. In the problem it is said that there is one smooth fixed hemisphere on which the particle is released from rest, RFR, released from rest. Actually speaking, if the particle is released from rest, theoretically, then it will be at rest, but it will be unstable equilibrium. What is done here is, slightly it is disturbed so that the particle will start sliding over this sphere, and it is very obvious that at certain angle it will leave this sphere. We are interested to know what is this angle theta at which this particle leaves the sphere, or the wording that has been used here is breaks off from the sphere. Same wording. But you know what? The physics of this problem, physics of leaving, is normal reaction. I say N1 is equal to normal reaction is 0. This normal reaction becomes 0. So for that, what we will do is, we will draw the free body diagram at this particular snapshot. Mg will act downward, and since this is angle theta, this is also angle theta. Notice that the Mg has got the component which is radially inward is given by Mg cos theta, and the second component of this Mg would be Mg sin theta. Now it will acquire certain speed v here, and due to that, if you look at in rotating frame it will experience the pseudo force which is radially inward, which is also called as centrifugal force. So this is what is the centrifugal force, which is radially outward, friends. And this centrifugal force along with the normal reaction which will act normally. Normal का मतलब होता है perpendicular to the sphere. So normal reaction and centrifugal force are radially outward, and this is radially inward. So we are going to draw. We have drawn, in fact, the free body diagram in rotating frame. FBD, in rotating frame. Once we draw this FBD, we can write the equation of equilibrium in rotating frame. Sare radially inward is equal to Sare radially outward. So once this is done, we are going to impose the condition that the normal reaction becomes 0. Now G R cos theta is equal to V square. This is what is one expression that we are having here. The second thing what we should apply here is the tool from energy mechanics, which is also called as conservation of mechanical energy. So the total mechanical energy at snapshot A, when it just released from rest, till snapshot B, when it leaves the sphere. From these two snapshots, we are going to use the conservation of mechanical energy. Notice that I have taken the datum of potential energy at this particular level. So this means that here the potential energy is 0. So I am applying COME from snapshot A to snapshot B. So if we apply this, at A, the potential energy would be plus mgr. Why plus mgr? Because this point is at r distance ऊपर है, r distance is above than the potential energy datum, and therefore it is plus mgr, and here it is released from rest. Theoretically, it does not have any speed over there. So this is what is the mechanical energy at snapshot A. This must be equal to the mechanical energy. Let me take first of all the potential energy here, plus mg r cos theta. यहाँ पे देखिए कि ये जो height है, this height by using the trigonometry we can say that it is r cos theta. Therefore here the potential energy will be mg r cos theta and kinetic energy will be half m v square. This is what is the second important thing that we will have. Now if we solve this thing, then it will be gr inside the bracket 1 minus cos theta multiplied by 2 is equal to v square. So this is what is the second expression that we are having. If we take these two expressions here, or two equations in fact, and if we equate these two, we should be successful to find the angle theta. तो देखिए v स्क्वायर और v स्क्वायर मैं दोस्तों डायरेक्टली इसको इक्वेट कर रहा हूँ. तो देखिए जी आर कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2gr 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा. सो ये जी आर यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 2 cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2. Therefore cos theta not 2, it is here it will be 3 cos theta will be equal to 2 and cos theta will be equal to 2 by 3. ठीक है. Once we obtain this theta, what is the answer now? Theta is equal to cos inverse of 2/3. This is what is the first answer.